Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Gelnailsuk UK have very kindly sent me the BlueSky 2018 Autumn Winter collection of gel polishes. So a big thank you to them for sending them to me for review. They are an authorised distributor for BlueSky gel polishes. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. You can also find Gelnailsuk UK Facebook group and Instagram page as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So in this collection there are 12 beautiful colours, quite a range of colours as well. They are 10ml bottles, which is a normal size for gel polish. Now what I really like about these bottles is that they have the coloured lids on the top of them. Now these are my first, but in my drawers it's going to be so much easier to pick out the colours, so this, big thumbs up. They all have their names on their bottoms of the bottles as well, and there is also some information on the back. They are UV and LED curable. Now because there are 12, I'm going to split these into 2 videos, otherwise the video will be crazy long. I'm going to be swatching them onto pop sticks, but I'm also going to be showing you them swatched onto my nails as well. I'll be using my well-loved BlueSky No Wipe top coat to finish them with. I like to show my gel swatches glossy and matte. This is something I've always done. I was going to use their velvet matte top coat, however it's safe to say with the smell on it and the colour I won't be. In the bin that goes. So I'll be using another one for this video whilst I'm waiting for new ones to arrive. The first gel polish is AW1801 Universal Truth, and this is a light pastel purple. Have to be honest, it's not something I would expect to see in an autumn winter collection. The formula does look really nice and creamy, beautiful colour though. The second gel polish is AW1802 Terra Firma, and this is a classic autumnal colour. I personally don't own anything like this. Super excited to try it. The third gel polish is Reflection of You AW1803. Again, not something I would expect to see in an autumn winter collection. This is a light pastel-y yellow, sort of a classic baby yellow. It is a fabulous colour to have in your collection though. The fourth gel polish is AW1804 Pure Harmony, and this is a beautiful cream colour, brilliant for a classic nude or base for any art. I'm going to bring in a white gel polish and hopefully this will show you the difference between them, as I thought this was a white to begin with, but it is a beautiful colour though, and I'm excited to try this again. The fifth gel polish is AW1805 Big Blue Marble, and this is a stunning dusky dark blue. It's a fabulous winter colour. I'm a winter baby and I love dark colours like this, so I'm excited for this colour, and as you can see the formula is the same throughout. The sixth gel polish is AW1806 Winter Breeze, and I'm in love with this colour. It's not a black but instead a dark charcoal grey colour, and it has a sort of a bluey undertone to it. It's a fabulous colour. So I'm going to put this against my black nail and hopefully you can see the Winter Breeze colour and see how it truly is. It is beautiful colour. So 6 fabulous colours. Let's get swatching. I'll start with AW1801 Universal Truth. I'll apply my first coat, cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'll then apply my second coat and I'll cure that, and I'll top coat them all at the end. The lamp I'm using is the lamp from Gelnailsuk. I purchased it a while back and it is the Sun5 48 watt UV and LED lamp. It's a really good lamp and at a really nice price too. So as you can see, Universal Truth is a very pale purple. It's applied well to the pop stick and looks really nice. When I did this swatch, I did wonder if it would be 2 coats or 3 coats. As I've said, I've applied all the colours to my nails and I've also done some sort of artwork over the top of them. Now my thumb for this swatch is 3 coats, however my forefingers are 2 coats. I felt 2 coats was okay, but I felt 3 was better. Just comes down to personal preference really. So for the mani, I added some glitter gel. Now this isn't a BlueSky one. However, I did find that the Platinum 14 or 15 would be sort of around the same sort of style. And then I added some stamping as well. Sort of to create a glittery sweater mani. And I really do like this. I was so chuffed with it. Moving on to AW1802 Terra Firma, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. This is a classic mustard colour and it was quite hard to capture the true colour of it. But it's going to make some amazing autumnal manis. I don't have a colour like this in my collection, so I am super excited. Browns, reds, maybe even golds are going to work the best. All of these coats I'm curing for 30 seconds. If you're using a lower wattage lamp, you'll need to cure maybe for 60 seconds and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. I do like to have a play around before I apply them to any nails. I wasn't sure how Terra Firma was going to sit against my skin tone. However, I don't think it looks too bad, to be fair. Terra Firma will be a super popular colour. So for the design over the top, I went full on nail stamping, as this is what I am known for. I've used a mix of browns to create some layered leaf designs. I love this mani. It is so right for this time of the year and really easy to create. So love this mani. On to AW1803 Reflection of You, and I have to say I'm not a big fan. On the pop stick I applied the coats as normal and it seemed to apply really well, just like the first two. It is a stunning colour, but on my nails it was very different, which I will go into soon. Oranges, reds and browns are going to work really well over the yellow and create some really good leaf, floral or even pumpkin nails. So the swatch on my nails, that's 3 coats. And to be fair, it could have done with a 4th. It was really hard to get an even application over the nail. Pale colours can tend to be a bit of a pain in the backside to get that even coverage, so I definitely want to have a play around with this one because 3 or 4 coats, it's a no-no for me. The mani I did over the top was for my mani a day for the month of October, which was day 19 potions. Red looks amazing over it. It doesn't overpower the yellow either. I'll be back to this colour to see if I can get a better application very soon. On to AW1804 Pure Harmony. Again, personally, I don't have a cream in my collection, so it's going to be interesting. One thing I did notice with Pure Harmony is that if you like a baby boomer gel polish nail, but don't like a bright white, this would be a perfect colour to have. Dark colours paired alongside is going to look fantastic, like burgundies, dark blues. I can't wait to get this colour into my swatching box and try all the different dark colours I have. So again, for the swatch on myself, I've done 3 coats over the thumb, 2 coats over the forefingers. Now personally, I didn't see the need for the 3 coats, especially if you're adding nail art over the top like glitter or stamping. It is a beautiful colour. Again, for the mani, this was day 18 for the mani a day in October. I love the dark grey over the top. It's absolutely beautiful. I really want to have a play around with colours. I'm very excited about Pure Harmony. And to be fair, this is going to be another very, very popular colour. On to AW1805 Big Blue Marble. Two other things that I've noticed is that it's very glossy even before top coating. And it also has a really nice sticky layer. This is going to really help the layers stick together. But also if you're adding extra bits like glitter, decals, foil to a mani, it's really, really going to help everything sort of bond well together. I adore this colour, and I can see some snowflakes or snowman manis as well. It is definitely going to be a very popular colour for me, for sure. So the swatch on my nails is 2 coats, and it was completely opaque with them 2 coats, which I think looks so, so pretty. Now for the mani, the stamping is from a plate which will be swatched and reviewed in my next video. But over the top of the Big Blue Marble, I added some iridescent shards, which I have to say looks amazing over the dusky blue. And I've just stamped in white. Now, I wished I'd have added the glitter to all of the nails, as I just feel the two without look a little bit odd, but that glitter over the Big Blue Marble, oh, amazing. On to AW1806 Winter Breeze. Now hopefully you'll see just how stunning this colour is. However, when I went outside with this on my nails, it sort of changed to a midnight dark dusky blue. So it sort of changes colour depending what light you're under, which for me is just amazing. But as I said earlier, if you don't like a pure black nail, then this could probably be a colour that might work better for you. I know that I'll be using it a lot, and it's definitely my type of colour. Again, I can see snowflake nails, but I can also see some Halloween nails as well. The swatch on my nails, that's 2 coats. The coverage was brilliant. Now I've had 0 heat spikes or curing issues with all of these. They have been really nice to use. So for the mani, again, the stamping plate is featured in my next video, but the foil nails seem to be quite popular right now. So I found this oil slick foil and I thought it would look brilliant. I absolutely freaking adore this over Winter Breeze. It just, oh, it's a match made. It really, really is. I also added some pearl white stamping, and I also added some beautiful fiery looking crystals that worked really well with the foil. This is a very, very unusual mani for me to create, but then foil nails, I would wear a whole set of them. Totally. They just, oh, it works so, so well. And here are all 6 of the Autumn Winter 2018 collection from BlueSky. Some very, very pretty colours. Can't wait to show you the other 6. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on the first 6 of the BlueSky Autumn Winter collection of gel polishes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.